Fixing a common English mistake using was or were with past tense verbs. Meet Sharon, a teacher and host, and Raghu, a learner. Hello everyone, today we fix a very common mistake. Many Indian students say I was went or she was came. Is this correct? Raghu says that is not correct. Let's learn why. Raghu says yesterday I was went to the market. I was went to the market here was is not needed here. Right one is I went to the market. Rule is never use was or were before V2 verbs like went, came, ate, slept. Mistake I was drank. Correct way is I drank. V2 works alone. Raghu says I drank chai. Why is this a mistake? Was and were describe a state, not actions. Whereas V2 are verbs like went, came, drank already they show past tense. In English we can't use double past tense like was came. Example I was tired versus I came home.